goes into this funnel, and when that funnel has collected a certain volume of water, it fills up this side and makes it heavy, and it tips, okay? And it just fills up this side, and it tips. Every time it tips, normally an active one is going to have wires here, and there's a little magnetic connection, and every time it tips, there's a little electrical signal that is sent out from the tipping bucket rain gauge, down this pipe, and into this thing that looks like an electronic mess. It's not a mess, there's just a lot of wires in a small space.